Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of machine maintenance engineering. Have you ever wondered how industries keep their machines running smoothly? Stick around to find out how this field is crucial for efficiency, safety, and innovation. Machine maintenance engineering is not just a technical job. It's a vital part of the manufacturing ecosystem. Effective maintenance reduces downtime, saves costs, and enhances safety. Imagine a factory where machines break down frequently. Chaos, right? By implementing robust maintenance strategies, engineers help businesses thrive, ensuring that every machine operates at peak performance. There are three main types of maintenance: preventive, corrective, and predictive. 1. Preventive maintenance is like a routine health checkup for machines. It helps prevent issues before they happen. 2. Corrective maintenance kicks in after a failure occurs. It's the emergency response team for machines. 3. Predictive maintenance leverages data analytics to forecast when maintenance should occur based on the machine's condition. Each type plays a pivotal role in ensuring machines run smoothly, and understanding them is key for any aspiring engineer. In the age of technology, machine maintenance engineering is evolving rapidly. 1. IoT, Internet of Things, allows real-time monitoring of machines, sending alerts when something's off. 2. Sensors collect critical data, enabling engineers to act before minor issues escalate. 3. Data analytics transforms raw data into actionable insights, allowing for smarter maintenance decisions. These technologies are not just tools, they're revolutionizing how we approach maintenance, making it more efficient and proactive than ever. What does the future hold for machine maintenance engineers? We're seeing exciting trends like automation and AI integration. Imagine using virtual reality to conduct maintenance inspections. Engineers can train and practice in a safe virtual environment before facing real-life scenarios. The rise of remote maintenance means that experts can diagnose and resolve issues from anywhere in the world, reducing downtime dramatically. The future is bright, and engineers who adapt to these advancements will lead the way. Machine maintenance engineering is a dynamic and rewarding field that's essential for modern industry. Whether you're an aspiring engineer or just curious about the industry, there's so much to explore. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of machine maintenance fascinates you the most? Until next time, keep innovating.